Hi guys, welcome to CATIA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is design and assemble. This is a valve design assemble. Okay, this is a valve design assemble and how to this body is design. But today is discuss here only this is a motion study is and how to this is a exploded and how to all parts is collapse here and all point is learn here and animation is also discussed here very important and all point is very important and discuss here very easily and clearly. Okay, and this is a perfect and use this is a use apply here this click here and at first this body is rotation here and also and all parts is one by one is exploded and automatic all point is a collapse here. You can see easily and clearly learn here and how to this process is learn here easily and clearly. Then today discuss here a very important. This lecture is very important for a beginner, a student and also a proficient a student. Very important and how to all process is learn here easily and clearly. Okay, at first okay, and this is a perfect okay, and this body is a drawing here and click okay. At first this body is assemble all parts, then this apply this motion study. Okay, and this motion study is a apply here and click OK and create a new motion study. Then all point is a clearly easily and clearly and one motion is apply this and this is a delete here. Okay, and all point is a this. Okay, this parts is a very important looking here and at first drawing a 3D model and 3D view. Okay, and at first this is a drawing a 3D model and all parts is assemble here, then all parts is assembled, then apply a motion study. Okay, all points is correct and perfect. Okay, and then going to motion study. Okay, going to motion study. Okay, this is a perfect and at first use a exploded view and click exploded view is apply here. Okay, and all parts is one by one is separate here this assemble body and at first select this nut and nut is drawing this separate here first and second part is this and again this is this drag here and third part is this and again select this is a drag here this and fourth part is this and this also drag this and this part is also here drag this part. Okay, and this part is also drag here and also this part is a drag here this okay, and this part is also drag here and then apply. Okay, this is a and select this drag here this and also select these parts and also select this all parts is one by one is drag here. Okay, all parts is clearly. Okay, and all parts is clearly all parts is one by one is expand exploded here and click OK and then this is a valve assembly final is a right click and going to collapse. This body is collapse, and again select a exploded, then this body is exploded, again select a collapse, then this body is collapse. Okay, all point is correct. And next point is apply here. Select this animation wizard and going to this is perfect. And first is a rotate model is click here and going to next. And axis rotation is y axis and clockwise direction, and number of rotation 1, and click next. And this is a perfect, and start timing is 0, and this is a duration is 8 second is perfect, and click finish. Okay, but again select and click this calculate the value is you can see here. First process is learn here easily and clearly. Okay, perfect. And second is also apply this animation wizard and click exploded, and next, and start timing 8 second, and duration is 14 second is perfect. All point is perfect and correct, and click OK. And 14 second is a perfect, and 8 second, and this is a perfect. Okay. And next is a collapse, and collapse is next is a collapse is a this is a 14 second, and use a 20. Okay, all is perfect, and click okay, click okay, finish. Okay, all is perfect. And they use a calculate the motion study, then all point is learn here one by one, and this is a perfect. You can see here easily and clearly learn here, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, okay, all point is perfect. And next is apply a motion is apply here is click a motor is this, and click select this rotation this body, and rpm is a 30 rpm. Okay, and this is a perfect, and click OK. And also calculate a motion study, then all is a perfect. Starting this, and at first okay, all point is a one by one is select here, and this is a looking perfect and correct, and all point is learn here, and all body is a one by one is exploded, then automatic all point is collapse here easily and clearly. Okay, okay, okay guys, all process is learn here easily and clearly, and guys I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.